Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. If you want a hairstyle that is easy to manage, stylish and comfortable, this video is perfect for you. As we grow older, our hair changes. It may become thinner, drier or more grey. Many women do not want to spend too much time styling their hair every day. That is why low maintenance haircuts are a great choice. Let's talk about some easy and beautiful haircut ideas. First is the classic pixie cut. The pixie cut is short, simple and very easy to handle. It dries quickly after washing. You only need a small amount of hair cream or light oil to style it. This haircut makes your face look fresh and bright. It is perfect for women who want a bold and confident look. Second is the short bob haircut. A bob is usually cut at chin length. It is neat and elegant. You can keep it straight or slightly layered. The best thing about a bob is that it looks good without too much styling. Just comb your hair and you are ready to go. Next is the layered short haircut. Layers add volume and movement. If your hair feels flat or thin, layers can make it look fuller. This style is soft and natural. It works very well with grey or silver hair. Another great option is the shoulder length cut with soft layers. If you do not want very short hair, this is a perfect choice. It is still easy to manage but gives you more styling options. You can tie it, clip it or leave it open. Now let's talk about short curly hair. If you have natural curls, keep them. A short curly haircut is fun and lively. Side bangs are also a good idea. Soft side bangs can make your face look softer and younger. They also help cover fine lines on the forehead. Bangs are easy to style and do not need much work. Now here are some simple hair care tips. Choose a haircut that makes your face shape and hair type. Trim your hair regularly every 4 to 60 weeks to keep it looking fresh. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner. Make for mature or dry hair. If your hair gray, you can use purple shampoo to keep the color bright. Remember, low maintenance does not mean boring. You can still look modern and stylish. The most important thing is to feel comfortable and confident. As is just number. Beauty has no age limit. Thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.